Hey guys, today we're going to be doing hunting rifle only, and I streamed this all on my Twitch account at DeclaredBow3773. If you guys would like to watch me record these videos, just go down to the link in description and click on it, and you can watch me record them. Disclaimer in this video, I had 0 kills because I'm an absolute bot. Okay. Let's go boys, hunting rifle only. Already finding a hunting rifle off the bat. Maybe we win first game on. You never know. Actually, no. I think I know where it is. Should be. There was one in the gas station last season, so there might still be one there. Let me get this chest. Still none. Oh, there's one. Yeah. We're gonna be having a lot of heals, most likely. Wonder how long this is gonna take me. How's there fire on the water? Got an enemy shark, bro. No, it hits me, bro. I was trying to go circle. Exactly going for me. Ah, go, 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 go. Ah. Can't go. No, why would it throw a crash pad, man? I haven't seen anybody all game. Where is everybody at? I'm trying to get some kills. I don't want a 0 kill win, bro. Come on. Don't do this to me. What? There's nobody. I see somebody. How did I not hit him? That's one. Get out. Wait, did they kill each other? They just killed each other, bro. That's nuts. That's pretty weird to me. Oh crap. Gotta go. So maybe I can go for a trick shot last person. See how that goes. Oh frick, this guy's attack. Ah! Oh crap, bro, he quick peeked me. No, 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 no. Freak. How am I still alive? Oh my god. I should be dead. This is scary. Oh my god, I'm gonna win with no kills.